What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today is the first modification for the 2018 BMW M4. Now I'm super stoked on this. Let me go grab it. It's in this box over here. Actually, you know what? I have one other mod I want to do real quick. Let me grab that. My license plate came in the mail, so I'm gonna probably put this, just kidding. I'm never putting that on the car, ever. Sorry guys, that was a little intense, but $35 ticket in California. Well worth not making the front end of your car look like crap. However, today's mod is going on the back. So let's go ahead and open up this box right here. This was sent over from ECS Tuning. Those guys over there, thanks a bunch, Kyle from ECS. So we're gonna open this bad boy up and we're gonna install it. Can anybody guess down below in the comments what we got? So this isn't your typical like, you know, oh I got a BMW but I don't have a knife unboxing. I have plenty of knives and we're not gonna use a key. We're gonna use a freaking axe because, you know, I mean, axes are cool, right? And this axe is sharp, so. The unaxing right here. Ooh. Oh. This thing is super sharp. I got this thing like cutting paper like no other. I mean, look at that. Did you just look at it? So anyways, I like knives and I like sharpening stuff, so that thing's pretty damn sharp actually. All right, let's see what we got. Look at that. Here it is right here. I don't know if we got anything else in here. Aha! It did come with one other thing, actually. Embedded in here, got an ECS Tuning and a Turner Motorsports thingy, so we can rock that little license plate frame on the car. Oh my God, come out of there. ECS Tuning and Turner Motorsports stickers. Those will come in handy for the toolbox or whatever. ECS Tuning license plate, because why the heck not? And that's not going on the front. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. And what I've been waiting to put on the car for a bit. Not really that long. I think I've had the car 2 weeks now. So first mod, I wanted to go with something aesthetic because I usually go with performance stuff, and to tell you the truth, right out of the box, this thing doesn't really need that much performance upgrades. Every car can use performance upgrades, but I mean like, not the first thing. Look at that. Very lightweight, probably weighs, I don't know, 3 pounds. Full carbon fiber. Sick. So very nice guys, that is going to kick on the back of this thing. Now the M4 already has a pretty sick looking little kick on the back here. I think it looks really awesome. I love the way this thing looks from behind. It looks just so good, and this already kicks quite a bit. It's pretty big, but yeah, it's gonna kick even more, and it's gonna look freaking sick. So let's just set it on there and we'll see what we got to do to measure it out. I'm probably gonna put like a bit of ceramic coat on this first before I install it on the car. That way I can like get all the edges and that sort of thing. So I'm just gonna wipe it down, hit it with some ceramic coat. So I mean just lining up the edges. Oh yeah. Fitment is very good. That looks great. That doesn't need any sort of modifications. I got the tape down. I'm just gonna put some rubbing alcohol on this real quick. Just kind of clean this up. That way if I have any wax on, it should kind of strip that. And then we'll do the final deed, pull that sticky tape, and hope I don't like sneeze or something and cough and have to use a bunch of dental floss to put it back on. But I think it's time to make it happen. Let's start pulling that tape. Moment of truth. I'm just gonna kind of hold it here, try to keep my hand back a little bit. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie, I would kind of like 2 people for this task. Okay. We're gonna apply some pressure. Woo! Okay guys. As far as the tape goes, it looks spot on to what I wanted to do. So you can see the gap on that side and the gap on that side looks to be identical. in the middle. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Fat, 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 fat face. Look at that, that's sick. Ooh, that's good. We're gonna have to do something about those eventually. Get some different wheels, have some other ideas for some cosmetic stuff. I want to do a couple cosmetics things first to the car and some functional things to the car, just to get it dialed and just kind of personalize it and get it dialed into how I'd like it. I guess let's cut to some glam shots because this thing looks pretty badass. I hope, man, the car looks good. I cannot wait to do more mods to this thing. I can't wait to get this thing on track. That should be coming up fairly soon, so watch out for a video on that. This thing is badass, guys. I'm so freaking stoked. Link to this spoiler in the description down below if you guys want to pick one up. Man, this thing looks good. I cannot wait to do more stuff to this M4. Pretty cool. Make sure to subscribe, guys. I don't know if you know any other channels out there that are doing like E30 stuff, S3 stuff, and M4 stuff. I don't really see that much M4 stuff. E30 stuff, not a lot of. So I wanted to, well, bring in a bunch more subscribers. We're trying to hit 100K this year. So hitting that subscribe, hitting that notification helps a ton. Thanks, guys, and wrench on.